Hello, boys and girls. This is Miss Sanchez Espinosa. I'm going to do a little recap on R.L. Stine's Goosebumps, The Abominable Snowman of Pasadena. So, the main character in this story is Jordan. He's the one narrating this story. His name is Jordan Blake, and he lives in Pasadena, California, which is Southern California. And there it is almost always sunny, even in winter. So he wants to experience snow. He has a sister named Nicole, which is a little younger than him, but they're both in sixth grade because she is so smart and she skipped a grade. Their dad is a photographer, a professional photographer, and he takes pictures of different things, landscapes, animals. His mother lives in Pennsylvania, just moved there. His parents are divorced. She moves there, and it does snow in Pennsylvania, but they're not with their mother this winter, they're with their father. Um, but an exciting opportunity comes up, and the dad is actually going to Alaska to take photographs. Now, usually he doesn't take his kids on his jobs, and he has Miss Hitchens, or they call her Miss Witchens, watch them. But this time she's not available. So, lucky for them, and fortunately for them, they're going with their dad. So they're very excited because they've never seen snow and now they're having that opportunity. The other thing that's exciting is the job. He was told to take pictures of a strange creature, the abominable snowman. And some people don't believe in it, some people do. He said, I'm just there to take pictures. Either way, Nicole, his sister, does not think it's true, but Jordan is hopeful that it is true. Right before they go to Alaska, there's the Miller twins who are always picking on them, Kyle and Kara, and they kind of get into a little wrestling match. The chapter we are on, chapter 5, they're on the plane heading towards Alaska, and actually they're about to land in Alaska. So that is the summary from chapter 1 to chapter 5. Okay? Thank you.